All right. So here we go. So first things first. Okay. So the first problem is John decided to look for a job. All right. And basically it says how much is he making? With overtime, how much will he earn? So number one, all you had to do was add the hours. 6 plus 4 plus 5. All right. Which gave you a total of 15 hours. Okay. So then all you have to do now is 13.25, and all you have to do is multiply. And when you use a calculator, I can't find a calculator. Okay, you just go ahead and multiply. So here it is, 1325 times 15 is $198.75. Okay, that's what he made. So you're gonna write John earned, all right, and then blah 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 blah, working 15 hours. Okay, so that's number one. So if you got to write, put a little check, because I'm checking this and I'm checking that. So remember, all you have to do is if you did it, the 9 people, just check it. The people that didn't turn it in, at least do something. All right. So number two. So number two says, Kiki just got a raise at her job. She is now making 1970 per hour. But if she worked 40 hours, how much did she make? So this one's easy because she made what? 1970 and she worked 40 hours. So all you have to do is multiply using your calculator. So 1970 times 40 is $788. So then Kike, your sentence, Kike earned da 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 da. Okay, then you write the sentence for working 40 hours. Okay, there you go. So there's your two. All right, number three, it says Wiley wants to know if his employer was paying him the correct hourly rate. So he just wants to know the hourly rate. So if he made $825, okay, but he worked 70 hours, how much is the hour? So here you have $825. And remember, you're going to get a quiz on this next week. All right. Now here you have to divide. All right. You got to divide here. So check your work because you're looking per hour. So you can divide by the 70 hours. That's all you have to do because you're looking for that 1 hour, how much they're getting paid. So when you do 825 divided by 70, that's $11.78. But there's a 5. So if you round it off, it's a 5, so the 8 becomes a 9. Okay? So it's basically $11.79 per hour. So again, you're going to have to write a sentence. That's what you were supposed to do. Wiley earns.
Mr. Miranda.
Yeah?
Wait, I'm a little confused on why you put 79, because I got 1178.
Oh, because I rounded it off. So it was
Supposed to do that?
well, yeah. If sometimes they do, but if not, don't worry about it. If not, don't worry about it. I'm just showing you how to round off.
1178, right?
Yeah, that's fine if it's 1178. But sometimes
I guess.
tests will say round it up, round it up. So I'm just showing you how to round it off. So 1179. Okay. So Wiley earned 1179 for working 70 hours. All right. So then you write the whole sentence. So I'm not going to write the whole sentence. You just add the numbers and so forth. Okay. Number 4. So number 4 is Angie Angie worked 17 hours this week and earned $228.65. Okay, that's what she earned. This is what she made. But she worked 17 hours. How much is it per hour? So again, you're going to divide. Okay, so you're dividing number 4, $228.65 divided by 17 hours. Okay, so remember, if you got it right, put a check. Oh, I got it right. Make sure you're checking them, right? Because I will look at that. So now all you have to do is use your calculator. $228.65 divided by 17. So that one's a nice one. So that is $13.45. Okay. So that so basically who is it? Angie makes $13.45 per hour. And that's fine. Okay, per hour. All right, so make sure you guys are doing this. It's very easy, but some of you guys didn't have time during the 4 days. Wednesday you didn't have time. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 5 days. Wow, must be nice. And some of you guys, look, we only meet twice a week. So imagine if we met every day. Woo, it'll be worse, right? If you guys can't handle 5, oh man. So number 5. So number 5 says Rogelio works at Taquito Bellito, and he worked the hours. It's the same thing. So how many hours did he work? So he worked 5 plus 12 plus 3 plus 7 plus 2. Okay? So these two are 17. These two are 10. These two are 2. These are 27 plus 2, and that's 29. Okay, 29. All right, this is just narrow. All right, 29. Okay, so 29. All right, you got it? All right, so now here we go. So 5 is 513 and 30 cents divided by 29 hours. Okay, you're dividing because you want that 1 hour. The other ones, remember, you want the total. So you got to multiply. See the difference? Here you want how much is it per hour. So you have to break it down. Break it down, all right? So let's go ahead and use a calculator. $513.30 divided by 29. 17.7. And remember, it's a 0.7. There's no such thing. You have to add a 0 because then that's 70. A lot of kids say, oh, that's $17.07. No, it has to be 07. All right? If you add a 0, oh, that's 70. So always add a 0 if there's one missing. All right? If there's an integer missing. So this is $17.70 per hour. Don't forget the sentence. All right? Per hour. All right? Angie makes, or who was it? Rogelio. Rogelio. All right? So far, so good? Okay? It's pretty easy, guys. So number 6. Number 6. Jesse worked the following hours. Okay, so he worked 6. He worked 3 plus 6 plus 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2 plus 9. All right? So what's all that? So we go ahead and 3 plus 6 is 9. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And 9 plus 2 is 11. 9 plus 7 is 16. This is 22. So my total is 38 hours. See that? So it's saying he earned $524.55 divided by 38. Which one is my answer? A, B, C, or D? So let's see. So $524.55 divided by 38. So $13.80. Okay. So my answer is $13.80 per hour. Okay, which is C. All right. Make sure you're not, if you're just showing me the answer, I'm not giving you credit. Maybe I'll give you out of 100, I'll give you 20 points. Still an F. All right. So make sure you're showing the work. It's not about, oh, I did in my mind. No, I want to see the work. All right. All right. And then number 7.
You missed it random.
Yeah.
Number 6. No, number 5.
Yeah.
Isn't it 17.7?
Yeah, but remember, if you add a 0, yeah, but what is 17.7? 17.7 is not, it's not 7 cents. This is 7 cents. $17.07. That's 7 cents. So if I add a 0, the 7 is now what?
Wait, so how come I can calculate it? That's how it comes out 17.7.
Yeah, but you have to know that you're gonna add a 0 to make it 70.
Okay,
So
like I got it wrong?
No, just add a 0. So you can't go to the bank and say, oh, can I have this amount of money? They're like, what's that? Right? You can't do that. Oh, that's a 7. Yeah, is it 7 or 70? Oh, I don't know. I missed. So you have to remember that I'm going to add a 0. Oh, it's 70. Sorry. Okay?
Wait, so do I mark mine right or wrong?
No, you can mark it right. Just add a 0. Just add a 0. All right? Okay? Because then the bank's going to say, oh, is it 7 cents? Oh, sorry, you're 7 cents. And they're going to tell you, this is how you write it. And you're going to look dumb, right? All you guys, right? Oh, sorry. Oh, they're going to school you, right? So make sure make sure you know. That's why we're learning it. You know, you don't want to be like, oh, wow, I didn't know that, right? So if it's 0.7, just add a 0 and it's 70. If it's 0.07, that's good because that's 7 cents. You see the difference?
Okay, yeah, I get it.
You get it? See that?
Yeah.
Yeah, no problem. All right, so now the last 3, or was it 4? Okay, is true or false. If you are an hourly employee, you should be getting medical and dental benefits. Is that true or false? Anybody? If you're working hourly, should you be getting medical benefits? True or false?
I think it's false.
It's false, yes. Usually, if you get a high, yeah, but usually no. All right, for the most part. How about this one? 8. A salary employee is a person who gets paid hourly. A salary employee. True or false? False. No. A salary employee gets money for a fixed amount for the whole year, not hourly. How about the minimum wage in 2020 is $13.01 in 2020? True or false? No, it's $13, not the 1 cent. Okay? $13. So make sure you correct it. Put false. And the last one, the minimum wage in 1938 was 25 cents. Is that true or false? And that's on your notes, in your notes. What do you guys think? True or false? True. Yes, yes.